No, Liana, look at Miss. No, Miss Jessie, stop it. Good morning, boys and girls. We're gonna do small groups. We're going to be learning about shapes. I'll be thinking of shapes, and you're gonna be telling me what I'm thinking of. We will use geoboards to make them, okay? Do you remember, Liana, last week that we used geoboards to make shapes? Do you remember last week? Do you remember what we made? What shapes did we make last week, Jair? We sat in the hallway and we were on the floor. You made a triangle and we made a square and we made a rectangle, right? Look at these shapes. We made last week, we made triangles, we made squares, we made rectangles. What did we talk about? We talked about how many sides they had. We talked about how many points they had, right? Yeah? So today I will show you some shapes and you can explore them and play with them. Okay? And then we will use geoboards to make a few shapes, okay? All right. So this is a cylinder. Leanna, what shape does this look like here to you? What does it remind you of? Did we not play with this? Let me help you. This is like a circle. Okay? Ask Miss Jessie, sweetie. Okay? What shape is this? A square. Would you like to take a look at the square? All right. Here you go, Janaya. Please don't throw it on the floor. Here you go, Jair. All right. Boys and girls, what shape do you think this is? A rectangle, yes. And a rectangle has two long sides. Yes, one moment. Two long sides and two short sides, right? He asked for it first, okay? We will share. Here is a rectangle. Would you like to have that? Sure. Here is a, what color is this? Yellow. And you have, what colors are you working with? You have a rectangle and a square. What do you have? And a square, yes. What does this shape remind you of, huh? A triangle. What does this shape remind you of? This one is a cylinder. This one is a cylinder because it's circular. This is like a triangle. Jahir asked me for it. Please don't pull it apart, okay? Because I will fix it later on and we can play with it in the toys and games area, okay? Okay. Now tell me you know what shape this is.
Triangle.
What shape is it?
Triangle.
Ta-da! There's a triangle. And how many sides did we say a triangle
1, 2.
have?
I have yellow.
A triangle has 3 sides. Look at Miss Roxy. 1,
I have yellow.
2, 3 sides. How many sides does a triangle have?
I have yellow though.
Can you give the yellow to her and take the blue? So ask him nicely. May I have the yellow one? Ask him.
May I have the yellow one?
And he's sharing with you. Tell him thank you.
Roxy, I made
Here you go. All right. What does this one match with? What shape does this match with something on the table? Yes, and it's a circle. We call it a cylinder, right?
I have blue.
All right. Now, who can tell me what these are? These are geoboards. What are they?
Geoboard.
What do we use them to do?
Make shape.
We use them to make shapes. May I give you this one? May I give you this one? And ta-da, here you are. Thank you. So, look at Miss Roxy. First, Miss Roxy is going to make a triangle, okay? I will put the rubber bands in the middle.
Blue and you got yellow. Miss Roxy, you need to give me the blue one because I got blue.
So ask her nicely. Which one would you like? The red one or the purple one, sweetie? The red one? Yes? All right. Janaya, look at Miss Roxy. I made a triangle. How many sides does it have, Liana? 1, 2, 3. Jair, can you make a triangle with the rubber band for me, please? Liana, I love how you made your triangle. Let's just see your time in it. 15 minutes, right?
I need a bigger one.
You need a bigger rubber band? So look at Miss Roxy. Look at Miss Roxy. Look. 1 point, 2 points, 3 points. Woo! You did an awesome job. Oh, let's use the other side. Did you?
I made a rectangle.
Like this. One at the top, across. Yes, sweetie.
I made a rectangle.
Oh, this is not the right side. You put it on the top, across, and then across. And you have what is that? Now can you try making a triangle? How many sides does it have?
I made a rectangle.
It has 3 sides. Let me see your rectangle. Show me. How many sides does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides? 4 sides. And how many points? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, and how many sides are long here, Liana? Liana, how many sides are long? So how many are they? 1?
1, 2, 3, 4.
So 2 sides are long and 2 sides are short. Beautiful. I love how you made your triangle. Now, can you make a rectangle for Miss Roxy? Look, I'm going to show you how to make a rectangle. Okay, and then I want you to make the same shape. Look at Miss Roxy. A rectangle has 1. Look, Jair. 2, 3, 4 sides. Look, Janaya. A rectangle has 4 sides. 2 are long and 2 are short.
Look, Miss Roxy.
You made how many triangles?
1, 2.
2 triangles. Now, can you make a rectangle like Miss Roxy did?
Alright.
Wow, Janaya, you made a rectangle. How many sides does your rectangle have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
High five, your rectangle has 4 sides. Can you tell me how many points a rectangle has?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Great job, Janaya. A rectangle has 4 points. And how many short sides does a rectangle have and how many long sides does it have? Look at this. These are short and these are long. How many short sides does it have? Good job, Janaya. A rectangle has 2 short sides. And how many long sides?
Excuse me.
2. Yep. 1 second. Let me see this. What shape did you make, Jair? Jair. Jair. Look at Miss Roxy. What shape did you make here? No, this one. Look at this one. A rectangle. How many long sides does a rectangle have, Jair?
Huh?
How many long sides does a rectangle have?
4.
A rectangle has 4 sides. 2 of them are long. Look at Miss Roxy. Look at me. Can I borrow this for a minute, sweetheart? I can't reach it. Can you let me have it? Thank you. I'll give it back. I'll give it back.
Look, I made a
Yep. Can you make a square for me, Liana?
circle. I think I'm gonna make a heart.
Can you try? Please, Liana. Okay. Shahir, how many long sides does the rectangle have? Look, you made a beautiful rectangle. How many long sides does it have? It has 4 sides, but how many are long and how many are short? These are long and these are short. How many are long?
Short, long.
Good. So there are 2 long sides and there are 2 short sides. How many points does a rectangle have? Jahir, look at Miss Roxy. 1.
2, 3, 4.
Yes, there are 4 points to a rectangle. Can you make a square? A square has 4 equal sides. How many sides? 4 equal sides. Look at this. Look. Liana, I need you to make a square, sweetie. Look. I will show you how to make a square. And then I will have you make a square as well, okay? Look at Miss Roxy. All 4, look at me, Jaya. Jaya, all 4 sides are equal. Show me. No, this one is not a square, sweetie. No. All the sides have to be equal. Let me see. Beautiful. Wow. We're going to count the... Can you just hold on 1 minute, please? A square. Thank you for offering. This is how you make a square. How many sides? 1, 4. Perfect. You have 4 sides. And how many points does a square have? High five. You did awesome. Now, do you want to try making another square? Because I helped you to make it. And if you need help, ask Miss Roxy. Let me see. Liana, I love the square you did. Wow. How many sides?
1, 2. I did it.
And how many points?
I did it.
Yes. Let me see. Wow, you did an awesome job. You did it. You made a square. Count for me. And how many points? All right. So today, boys and girls, we learned about shapes, and we used our geoboards and rubber bands to make different shapes. And we looked at actual objects, right? We looked at cylinders, which is similar to a circle, right?
Look, I won.
You did good. What shapes did you make, Jair?
Rectangle, square, another square, circle, line.
Right. So boys and girls, did you like these actual objects that I shared with you today? Did you like these?
I won.
Did you like the wooden shapes? Yes or no? I need a yes or no.
Yes.
Yes. Do you like these? So do you want me to keep these in the toys and games area for you to play with?
Yes.
I have a lot of them. Look. Miss Roxy has a lot of different shapes, right? I will keep these in the toys and games area. So today we learned about triangles. Liana, please sit down. We learned about triangles, squares, and rectangles, right? The geoboards and rubber bands. Where do I keep the geoboards and rubber bands? In the toys and games area. Yes, Liana, you do. I will keep everything that we have here, the shapes, the rubber bands, and the geoboard in the toys and games area. All right. Did we enjoy our small group today? Liana, did you have fun in small group today? So you know where are we going to find these? Which area?
In the black area.
Toys and games area, sweetie. These. Jair, where are we going to find these?
In the toys and games.
Liana, where will we find these to play with?
Toys and games area.
Janaya, where will we find these?
Toys and games area.
High five, everybody. You did an excellent job. Thank you. All right. Can you help me to put these away? No, gentle. Okay, Miss.
And this is one